This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
It starts with a single request. Book me a table for 2. Suddenly, an AI is clicking through OpenTable. No human hands, no fuss. Wait, what? Welcome to Operator, OpenAI's new agent that uses a remote browser to do your online tasks, for real. Traditionally, you'd open OpenTable, see no availability, pick another time, maybe call. Operator just does it. It even corrects your location if the site mistakes your city.
Reservation 7 p.m. wasn't available, let's do 7:45. And again, you can see Operator at this point has said, okay, should I? Again, this is a really good example of the confirmations work we're going to talk about a little bit later.
That's real-time AI, verifying steps with you before finalizing. No complicated APIs needed, just your request. Got a scribbled grocery note? Operator reads that handwriting, heads to Instacart, and fills your cart, item by item. That's the future of shopping, hands-free.
So in this case, again, Operator quickly actually recognized using GPT-4's vision capabilities to understand that the image said egg, spinach, mushrooms, chicken thighs, and it actually knew Gus's market.
Old method. Type each item, search, compare brands. Operator method. You just say, buy me these. Done. Think dinner and groceries are impressive. Operator can even hunt down killer deals on StubHub. Find me 4 Warriors tickets under $500. Operator scans the listings, suggests seats in row 1, and asks you to confirm. One-type sentence. That's all it needs to do what used to take 5 to 10 minutes of your time. Tennis courts in your neighborhood? House cleaners for next week? Operator jumps to your local search, flips through websites, and lines up the best options, again with minimal input from you. Traditional approach, dozens of clicks, multiple forms, maybe a phone call. Operator, just type, find me a tennis court near St. Mary's. Done. Hosting a party. Operator orders 10 medium pizzas from your favorite spot. Barbecue included. It even handles scheduling delivery if the place is closed. That's your personal AI shopping spree. 24/7, no burnout. Under the hood is OpenAI's Computer Using Agent, or CUA. It sees screenshots and controls them just like you. But what if it makes mistakes? Operator double-checks the big stuff, like paying for tickets or confirming restaurant times, before locking anything in. It also blocks shady tasks or suspicious sites. Think of it like an AI coworker that always comes back to you for final say on important moves.
We'll also have more agents to launch in the coming weeks and months, but that said, we'll talk more later.
More agents? Let me translate. OpenAI isn't stopping at groceries and reservations. Think AI travel planners that fight airlines for refunds, tax bot agents that slash your IRS bill, home AI that renegotiates your Netflix subscription. This is just the opening act.
This is really the beginning of this product. This is the beginning of our step into agents, level 3 on our tiers, and we can't wait to see how people are going to use this and to kind of work with us to figure out where exactly it should go.
Flights, bills, medical appointments. Every digital chore you hate, gone. Sam Altman's team is building a world where you type a sentence, and AI does the work of a $50K per year assistant.
Slowly rolling it out now. End of the day, everyone on Pro in the US will have access.
This isn't just tech, it's freedom from busy work. Ready to reclaim your time? Subscribe, hit like, and let's build a world where AI does the grind, and you do the living.